Oi, oi! Wow!
It's massive, man.
Thanks very much. Right, hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here, and today I am joined by special guest DJSE.
Yo, bro.
And the one and only Mr. Toon. Guys have come down from Manchester to get a new exhaust fitted on the van. The infamous van that is on Instagram and Snapchat and social media, but it is amazing. So what we're going to do is remove the old one and fit the new Maniflow exhaust, and there's a few other jobs we need to do while we're here as well. So anything to add, guys?
No, you've got to...
He needs to fix me heater first. That's the most important job.
You've got to do the Mighty Car Mod thing, haven't you? Does it play a tune? You've got to edit this in now.
Yeah. Okay, so the reason we're changing this exhaust is because it's extremely fumey within the car. Now what the issue you have is, go to the side, the exhaust sits further back than the actual rear doors, as is modelled there by the DJSE. So what happens is the fumes come out of here and have a swirling motion and go in underneath the rear door. So what they're going to do is put the new tailpipes and they come to about here.
About here. And they point upwards.
And that will hopefully let all the gases escape and not gas everyone out inside the car. So let's crack on. Oh, you know what? That is bloody beautiful, that.
Did it come right off?
Yeah.
Yep. A little wiggle.
A little wiggle. Not need no lube to get it off.
Nope.
I'll get it in.
No lube, no hammers. I mean,
take that centre one off, it'll drop it down for you.
yeah. It won't drop far though. It is absolutely stunning under here though, mate.
Yeah, it is, it's beautiful.
I think what they've done is they've stone chipped the centre of it, so I think the centre of it's black, if I'm right, and then where you can see is grey.
Yeah, that's right, that's what it looks like, cover sills.
This mustn't have been restored long ago, you know.
No.
I mean, like all the copper pipes underneath.
That's what I said to him, yeah.
Brand new looking.
Yeah.
And
Meanwhile, Mr. Toon's just sat here watching. It's great.
now you want to hear the engine, ready? That stinks. There we go. Job done.
Yeah, there you go, V8.
There we are, V8.
V8 conversion. Oh my god.
I look at dedication. Teeth for a wire brush, don't you, mate?
Brush me out with a wire brush, we've got that much of it. Is that enough or?
Do that again.
Like that.
So immature. So I've been very busy. I've been to Halfords. I've got some Holt's exhaust assembly paste. So basically I've just asked William what this does, but I'm going to tell you what it does because it's sound clever. It's a permanent seal guaranteed, and when the exhaust gets hot, innit mate?
Yeah, that's right.
It goes off and it doesn't blow. So,
can you put some exhaust paste on that?
Put some exhaust paste on the tip of his pipe. Is that enough? Oh, it's going everywhere.
Get more than that. Try and get like a...
Yeah. So like
I saw my hand.
Like a zigzag.
What? Not on there as well.
Yeah. So zigzag.
So anything like if we've got too much, it'll just wipe off.
Yeah.
So just wipe your excess.
I wish you knew what a zigzag was.
I'm doing it Alex Toon way.
I so wish you knew what it is. What is that?
What?
That'll do, won't it?
Yeah, that'll be right, that.
Right.
Lovely job. Right, cool.
Right.
Is it in yet?
It's going in. It's in.
Yeah. Can you feel the tip?
It's in already.
All the way?
Yeah.
Oh.
You keep going though.
Oh, hang on. That feels better.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah.
Is that it? Is it? Are you done there or? Did you have to tap it with your hammer?
Get some force behind it.
Wow, look at that. It's lovely. It's gone right in.
Gone right in.
Slid
Gone
right
right in if you're from Leeds.
No lube or anything.
No lube.
Well, that's a lovely fit.
Yeah, it is a beautiful fit actually.
See, peeing how minutes, Liz
Yeah,
knows what she's doing.
she does.
Liz, if you're watching, thank you.
Wire brush that at that end, Will.
Well, let's just test fit it for now.
Okay.
And it might be alright.
I think.
Oh, yeah, the Maniflow to the bottom.
Maybe the van then. See? What do you reckon, Sam?
What's that?
I'd rather you didn't.
I'd say.
That does look like a rice exhaust.
Okay, well, we can get this bit here going much further on.
Yeah, and we can also get the middle set of the front section on as well.
Okay, but we have an issue here.
Yeah.
This pipe just here is welded on, which is causing the bracket or the exhaust not to go on far enough. So what we'll do is we'll cut it off, and hopefully that will allow the exhaust to push on a little bit further. That'll do it. Okay, so what we've done, rather than cut the Y piece because it looks like it'd be a bit of a pain to get off, we've actually shortened this exhaust. So we've cut a section off the back here. It also
It's going bald.
Gone bald.
The shaping as well, so this dent here is from the gear selector, so the new shape of the Maniflow will hopefully go around that. So coming further down we've got a second silencer, your main silencer as well, and then the tip goes out. The old exhaust, it looks like it's been repaired or made out of a few different exhausts, so you've got a section of weld in the corner there where it's been bent and split, and you've got a smaller pipe there as well. So I think we're doing a good job replacing this. You happy with replacing that?
Definitely, mate. And like I say, if it's a little bit less noisy and drony, I think that'll be the best option.
Yeah.
Because if anyone's drove a minivan, you don't want more noise. You do not want more noise. What did I make your ears bleed this morning?
My ears were bleeding this morning, and I felt a bit sick.
55 was nice. 60 was like, yeah, 60 wasn't nice. So 55 is cool.
Yeah.
So I might be able to get home fast today. 70.
Cool. 70.
Give it a little rev. Okay, so the exhaust is now fitted, and as you can see, it sticks out far enough so the fumes shouldn't circle around and go up in here. We come down the back, it sits pretty much just outside the number plate, and it looks really, really smart. What do you reckon, Tony?
Looks great. Absolutely made up with it. Yeah.
So we will get it outside. Yeah, do you want to turn it off, buddy?
It's
So,
like
yeah.
revving it.
We'll get outside and have a look at it in the sun and give it for a road test and see how it goes.
That's so quiet now. You might have to give him a little bit of a slam them doors, mate.
Ow. What's that?
Just give him a...
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. That's what I want.
Yeah. Mate, that exhaust. Yeah, I didn't get it.
I'm in the world of my own here. Mate, these country roads have been. Mate, it's so much better, that exhaust. Yeah. Noticed a massive difference. Massive. Mate, I can't believe they did. Mate, that exhaust is so much better. It feels. It's a lot less droney, but it feels like, I don't know, when you put your foot down, it feels more.
The van is complete. It's had the new Maniflow exhaust in it, which sounds amazing. And also, I've looked at the heater. The heater fault is a faulty heater. And I've also looked at the speedo. And the speedo in here is, because it's been adapted to have an electronic clutch, the speedo drive itself has just sort of gone to the side and it's actually burnt into the housing. So I've taken that off, and he's now going to take it back to the place where I had it fitted, and hopefully they can make up a new speedo drive. But the exhaust is fitted up. It's gone for a twin exit or twin silencer Maniflow, which looks absolutely stunning. It really, really suits this car. So yeah, it's been a pleasure having these guys here. And yeah, it's time to say goodbye to this Mini. This goes back to Manchester, but as always, if you have enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And while you're there, subscribe to the other guys as well, Alex Toon and the DJSE. Thanks for watching. See you later.